Welcome everyone to another video. Today in this video I like to share you guys iPhone 12 Pro Max night mode photography. I am also compare with night mode and without night mode. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So let's start the video. iPhone 12 Pro Max using bigger sensor to take a better night mode. By the way, I am making a dedicated camera review on iPhone 12 Pro Max. This video coming very soon. So subscribe right now and press the bell icon. So let's see the camera comparison night mode and without night mode. Okay, this is all about iPhone 12 Pro Max night mode camera comparison video. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you on something other video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.